Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Reliance Jio Air Fiber expansion, India on high alert for cyber attack, WhatsApp iOS update enhancements, Nvidia's 250 million investment in Vietnam, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Reliance Jio Air Fiber broadens its presence in India, reaching 25 states, surpassing Jio Fiber's speed with 1.5 Gbps. A tool on the official website facilitates checking availability in specific regions with plans starting from Rs 599 per month. The expansion covers states like Haryana, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. To subscribe, customers can give a missed call, receive a link, fill in installation details, and pay Rs 100 as a token amount using UPI or credit debit card. Jio Air Fiber offers various plans including Rs 599, Rs 899, Rs 1199, Rs 1499, Rs 2499, and Rs 3999, providing diverse options for users. India faces high alert as a hacker group plans a cyber attack on critical digital infrastructure focusing on disrupting health sector services. The Indian government issues a nationwide alert emphasizing improved cybersecurity measures for all government departments. The hacker group, known for targeting other nations, has a history of cyber attacks on government websites and leaked sensitive data. Motivation behind attacks range from incident hurting religious sentiment to targeted action against specific communities. Organizations are urged to implement robust cybersecurity measures including firewalls, regular software updates, encryption, and employee education. Next, we have WhatsApp releases version 23.25.79 for iOS, introducing features to enhance user experience. Users can now pin messages in chats and groups for duration of 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. During video calls, users can check connection health by long pressing their tile to receive real-time feedback. The View Once option is extended to voice messages, adding an extra layer of privacy to prevent sharing or forwarding. Regular updates from the App Store are recommended for users to access the latest features. Apple prepares to fly US store employees to Cupertino for training ahead of the Vision Pro headset launch. Training starting in January spans 2 days and aims to facilitate easy customer setup for the customizable headset. The Vision Pro headset, priced at $3,499, features micro OLED screen, M2 chipset, and a 3-dimensional camera. The training aligns with Apple's strategy to ensure a seamless customer experience, emphasizing the exclusive and custom nature of the product. Nvidia invests $250 million in Vietnam, aiming to partner with top tech firms to support AI talent and digital infrastructure development. Partnership with Vital, FPT, Win Group, and VNG are on the agenda to deploy AI in cloud, automotive, and healthcare industries. Discussions on cooperation deals with Vietnamese tech companies and authorities highlight a commitment to semiconductor and AI industry growth. Vietnam's investment minister urges Nvidia to consider setting up a research and development facility in the country. The investment aims to deepen Nvidia's relations with millions of clients in Vietnam, fostering advancement in technology. Next, we have WhatsApp introduces a reply bar feature for status updates, allowing users to interact without swiping up. The consistent and visible feature is designed to enhance interaction and streamline response to status updates. Currently in beta, the feature is expected to be available for both Android and iOS users, improving user engagement. WhatsApp also plans to introduce View Once audio messages for an added layer of privacy and security, enhancing the user experience. At last, Google showcases Gemini AI technology in a demo video, sparkling interest as a potential ChatGPT challenger. Controversy arises as Google admits the video was not showing real-time result, with some moves timed for a favorable impression. The video suggests quick responses, but it's clarified that the AI tech is still in development, labeled as Gemini 1.0. Questions arise about Google's transparency in presenting AI capabilities, recalling past instances like the Google Duplex demo video in 2018. The competition in the AI space is fierce, with Google aiming to establish Gemini as a noteworthy contender. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।